OPEN stock analysis. This is for next week, which is super interesting. Is it a buy? I'm going to be breaking all of it down in this brief short 1-minute video. Now, as the only person in this space with 43,000 video experience, 5 years of experience actual, I've seen what's working for me and what's not. And especially with Opendoor, I can tell you one thing is that for Monday, I'm genuinely just looking to double down, buy more here. I mean, that's going to be the biggest thing. Like genuinely speaking, unless the price gives me a double break, then there's just no way that I'm going to look to buy. It comes down to just having a little pull down and then a break above that, right? That's what it will really propel me to take things further up and buy. But if it's not the case, then what I'm not going to be doing is just randomly buying here, you know what I mean? So that's how OPEN is looking like. I do have a bunch of receipts right here with about 22 results. So obviously we'll continue to keep you updated, but if you want to stay tuned and get my money making emails and insights for free with free market picks to make more, click the first link in the description. It's free. Other than that, I'll keep you updated. This is really just, I'm excited about this, but rules first must be met. You know what I mean? So goodbye and enjoy.